Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you what to do if your Samsung ecobubble washing machine is displaying the error code 5C or 5E. Error codes usually appear on your washing machine's display and indicate that there is a fault with your appliance. This particular error code means that there is a water draining issue. Here, we will run through some checks to help you find out what is causing the issue and how to fix it. Before carrying out any work, make sure your washing machine is turned off and fully disconnected from the mains. For this repair, you'll need to turn off the water supply to the machine and disconnect the water inlet pipe as well. The tools you'll need are a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of pliers and a large towel. The first thing to check is the pump filter, which is the part of the machine that catches debris during a wash cycle, such as coins, hair grips and screws. If it becomes blocked, water will not be able to pass through and get to the pump. Now, there can be a lot of water stored down here in the machine, so I've put a towel down to catch any. But first, what I'll do is use the emergency drain hose, open that up, and then pour that into a bucket, and that should take out most of the water. You can then remove the filter to check if there's any damage or blockage. If it is damaged, the filter will need to be replaced. The next thing to check is the pump impeller, and you can see it at the back there. To do this, move the blade with your fingers to ensure that it moves freely. If there is any debris blocking its movement, then remove the obstruction. If the impeller has actually come away from the pump, then a new pump will need to be fitted. The next thing to check is the drain hose. Make sure there's no kinks in the hose, stopping water from draining away from the machine. If you've checked the hose, the filter and the impeller and they're all fine, it's likely to be a problem with the drain pump. And I'll show you how to fit a new one now. To remove the faulty drain pump, I need to remove the bottom panel by undoing the 5 screws that hold it in place. Now, I've lent the machine down onto its front. If you're doing this on a hard floor, make sure you put a towel down to protect the door, but also to collect any water that may come out of the drain pump when it's removed. Now, I can use my Phillips screwdriver to remove the bottom panel. With the bottom panel removed, here we can see the drain pump. To remove the drain pump, simply take out the electrical connections and undo the 3 screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Before we begin, you're going to need to find a drain pump suitable for your make and model of washing machine. To do that, you'll need to find the model number for your appliance. You can see our video here, which tells you exactly how to find the model number of your washing machine. You can also find a link in the description below to find your drain pump. You can now fit your new drain pump. Before I fit it, it's just worth mentioning that make sure on your new pump that this seal around the impeller here comes with the new pump. Sometimes it doesn't, so if it doesn't, you're going to have to take it off the old one and put it around the new one. Now I can screw it into place and reconnect the electrical connections. With the new drain pump in place, refit the bottom panel using the 5 screws you removed earlier. You can then put the machine back into its upright position, and do get help to do so if it's too heavy for you. We hope this has helped to sort your drainage problem on your washing machine and that the error code has now disappeared. It's a good idea to give your washing machine a very thorough clean, and you can see our video here, which is a step-by-step guide on how to do this and keep your washing machine working efficiently. Before you go, please do subscribe to our channel so you can get more help and advice on how to fix and maintain your household and garden appliances. Thanks for watching.